Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover a Gmail account without phone number or your email address. Before I start with the video, if you're using Shopify, you can get it for only $1 your first month. Use the link in the description. So what you have to do is go to Google Account Recovery page, type in your Gmail username or ID, choose Try Another Way to Sign In, then use verification using another device, wait for password reset link and reset your password. So basically the site goes accounts.google.com. Then, for example, you select the account you want to recover. Let's say it's this one. You would click on next. And then, as mentioned, you want to click on try another way. Once you have clicked try another way, now, since I have this account, it's going to send me an email recovery to this account. But if you don't have it, it's going to give you other options. So if I were to click more, these are some like you already follow your recover your steps account, etc., etc. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can recover your account. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.